What's up, guys? Josh with Navigate the Wild. Are you interested in getting in saddle hunting this year? If you're considering getting into saddle hunting, making the jump finally, making the investment from climbers to saddles or stands to saddles, tonight we're going to show you one of the safest ways to get into your platform from the top of your steps. Okay, so let's get into it. And during this video, just imagine that our sticks are on the tree. What I'm going to actually do before I get to my platform is I'm going to set up my tether to my bridge. And what that's going to do is completely connect me to the tree. Okay, so what I would do, I'd be on my top stick. I take out my tether. I'm going to connect it to the tree. Okay, cinch it down. And now what I'm going to do is lock into my bridge. So now what I can do is I can safely take my lineman's rope off, put this thing away, and I'm just going to come up with my knees up against the tree, and now I can rest my platform. This is a Seeker platform from Cruiser, and I can rest it up against the tree in order to get my rope around it. So this is a brand new rope from Hang Free. I'm going to get around the tree here, catch it, and we really want the rope kind of in line with your button. I'm going to cinch this down to the tree, and then I might offset it to wherever I want it, nice and tight. And we're going to push down and let it bite in. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. And then from there, you're just stepping up. Now I can readjust up here, that's not a problem. The point is, I'm completely attached to the tree, so I'm safe. The platform is in good shape, it's ready to rock. I don't have to worry about repositioning and wobbling or anything like that. So we would just come up here, move this to whatever height that you like, which for me is about forehead level or eye level. And we're ready to rock. And so we got this really stable platform here that we can move around. We can do whatever we need to do. But again, the whole point of this video is how do I get this platform in the tree in the safest manner possible? And that's by connecting your tether and your bridge first. If you'd be so kind to give us a like and subscribe, that would really help us out. Thanks for joining the channel.